Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can grant group permissions inside your Jira projects. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Jira, log into your account, select your Jira site here in the top left corner. Let me go with this one here. And guys, what you want to do here inside your Jira site overview is click into that gear icon in the top right to access your Jira site settings. And from here, click into System. So here inside your System or Admin settings, what you want to do, guys, is head over to this section of your system settings, Security Global Permissions. There you go. So let me head over there. And from here, guys, inside your global permissions, scroll all the way down. For example, here to that section, grant permission at the very bottom. So here you can grant a permission, for example, for a specific action, like, I don't know, for example, share dashboards and filters, and assign or granted permission to entire group, not only to specific users like admins, guests, members, and so on and so forth, but to entire groups. So select one of these groups here. Let me go with that test group I created for demonstration purposes. And yeah, assign and grant that permission to all members of that group by clicking into Add. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, very simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.